Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain if you can change the GPU in a laptop. Generally, upgrading a laptop's graphics card is not feasible for most users. Unlike desktop computers, where GPUs are modular components, laptop GPUs are typically soldered directly onto the motherboard. This design choice integrates the graphics processing unit tightly with the system, making physical removal and replacement nearly impossible without specialized equipment and expertise. So, for the vast majority of laptops, a GPU upgrade isn't a straightforward option. The technical hurdles to upgrading a laptop GPU are significant. Laptops are designed with very specific power delivery systems and thermal solutions tailored to their original components. A new, more powerful GPU would likely exceed the existing power budget and overwhelm the cooling system, leading to overheating and instability. Furthermore, the laptop's BIOS and firmware are typically programmed to recognize only the factory-installed graphics card, making compatibility with a different model highly unlikely. While rare, there are a few exceptions. Some high-end gaming laptops, particularly older models, might use a modular MXM graphics card. These can sometimes be upgraded, but finding compatible modules is challenging and expensive. A more practical alternative for many is an external GPU enclosure, or eGPU. These connect via a high-speed port like Thunderbolt 3 or 4, allowing you to use a full-sized desktop graphics card. This provides a substantial performance boost without modifying your laptop's internals. In conclusion, for the vast majority of laptops, directly changing the internal GPU is not a viable option due to integrated designs and technical limitations. If you're seeking a significant graphics performance boost, an external GPU setup is your best bet, provided your laptop has a compatible high-speed port. Otherwise, if your current laptop no longer meets your graphical demands, investing in a new laptop, specifically designed for your needs, will offer the most reliable and powerful upgrade path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.